Okay, here we go.
Some managers know their way around mental health.
These are good ideas, Dave. You finally found your flow.
And others, not so much.
Are you going a bit?
What's wrong with talking about mental health?
Because it's none of our business.
Your mental health is influenced by your environment.
You haven't gone off the rails, have you?
I've got nothing to do.
It's also shaped by your experiences.
Headache! There are snakes!
Right.
Your biology is also at play.
None of my ancestors died from old age.
Oh?
Drowned, hanged, mauled.
Wow.
When you have good mental health, you feel more capable and confident. When you don't, things can be a bit more challenging. Isn't it time you try to understand it?
You okay, Dave?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
I'm fine.
Okay, fine. I'm not fine.
I knew it! Yes!